Alright, our next match starts now with Sheik versus Peach. Now, I've actually seen these two play before. They counter each other very well.
Yeah, definitely. You obviously have a very fast character with Sheik.
And then you have the very, heavy, strong character, I should say.
Yeah.
Because of the, lower body part. Just be counteract. I'm not trying to make it PG-13, but seriously, most of her toss attacks are just with her butt.
Basically.
Her grab, she ends up sitting on people, kind of like Luigi does.
Yeah.
And then she usually ends up tossing their butt at enemies.
Yeah, exactly.
Like that,
So,
I don't understand, because even though it's a freaking Mario game, for God's sakes.
Hey, it's meant for kids. You shouldn't be talking like that.
I will.
It's rated E for a reason.
PG for a reason.
Yeah, PG. Yeah, G. Just call it G. At this point. Definitely. Sheik now at 100.
Whoa.
Never mind.
Well, they're currently even in stocks, but the percentage is off by
Peach
a
at
lot.
43. Obviously, we got low percentages on Sheik. Obviously.
I haven't seen a lot of kamikaze attacks lately.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Especially what? Especially freaking what is it? It's rated T, so you can be. This is like a rated E game.
It's rated teen.
It's rated T. Yeah, well, this is rated
PG-13.
It can be PG-13, but what if there's other children that end up watching this?
Oh yeah.
That's the only reason why.
Comment below if you're less than 13 years old. No.
Okay. Why comment below when they can just comment right here?
Oh yeah, comment right there. This is Twitch.
This is Twitch, but although this is going up on freaking
I'm
YouTube.
Smart. I'm so smart.
Oh my god. Oh, that's right. Crap.
Right, back to the match. Peach not 2 stock, Sheik not 3 stock. Still, percentages are definitely not even. I mean, obviously, but it's definitely looking pretty close. That's another kill.
I forgot my password.
Your password?
RIP kids. No, the children shouldn't die. They should live on forever.
They should, yeah.
Because they're gonna end up being teens anyways.
It's okay. You'll be just like us.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. Life lessons.
True life lessons right there.
Life lessons.
Alright, so Peach is down to 1 stock while
it's pretty much even stocks at this point. It looks like Sheik
no,
has
it's 1-2 right now.
Sorry, not even stocks.
What the heck is that? Why the heck you?
And that's game.
That's game. Who won?
That's game.
Oh, BC, DarkChocolateGamer, and
BC.
yeah. There we go. 1-0 right now. And where'd you get that?
Where'd you get this?
Yeah,
The fridge.
oh. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get myself a drink.
I noticed that. I think some other band. I don't remember what band we were playing. Yeah.
Hello, can I join?
Yeah.
Alright. So we have Peach versus Sheik match with this
Yep.
I always see that now. I was like, hey, you could use a knife, pocket knife, get it out. I would use a pen or something to go over it. Yeah,
You'll be surprised. That's why I'm not asking. She's not as easy as you think,
Sheik is now at over 100%. And so both of them are at 100%.
Ooh, the umbrella recovery risky.
Back and apparently passing it over. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So far, it's really even percents right now.
Ooh, the veggies almost blocked the recovery, but now he's at it again.
And I thought it was
Racking up the damage.
I think I still was.
There it is.
I don't think three
Sheik is now down to 3 stocks, whereas Peach still has all 4 stocks.
Oh, make 3 even.
Not anymore. 3 even.
Just watching.
Alright, remember kids, don't do heroin. A public service announcement from the comment section. We can assure you there's no heroin involved in BJ Smash
Yes.
whatsoever. No other illegal drugs either. Ooh, an unfortunate SD right there.
So far, Peach is down to 2 stock and Sheik is up to 3.
Yeah, we got vegetables flying on the ground. This stage kind of makes sense. You pulled vegetables out of water here. It makes a lot more sense than some of the other stages. But you just pulled some vegetables right out of the racetrack on an F-Zero stage.
Oh, well you could have like... Oh, I'm thinking Brawl. Why am I thinking Brawl? I don't know.
That brawl's fun too.
No, you could have like Shadow Moses Island.
Oh yeah.
Like Peach pulling out plants from like the solid concrete on the ground.
Unfortunately, Peach has again misjudged her umbrella range and is now nearly defeated. But hey, anything can happen. Let's hope for a comeback. Go hope.
Alright, that's another win
DarkChocolateGamer takes
by
the lead.
DCG.